Hi guys, this is also Pox Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Instagram LITE on your phone using Play Store. First we will need to open Play Store. Then after opening Play Store, we need to type Instagram LITE in the search bar. Type Instagram LITE. Then after that, press search. After search, it's the first one on the low. Select first one. After selecting it, you press install button. By pressing install button, the app will start installing. Then you press OK. Then we wait for the app to be downloaded and get installed. Sorry, my network is so slow, so it's kind of the reason why I already needed Instagram LITE. Maybe you too. Okay, after downloading, now it's installing. Then you press open. After pressing open, you do the usual thing about logging in your Instagram account. So if you did love this video, please consider a like, and if you loved it, remember to subscribe and share it with your friends. Maybe it can help them. So in this step I will log in. After logging in, here it's my account. Thanks again for watching my video. See you on another video. This was also Pox Tech Tips.